Hello, my C++ students. Hot tip for the examination. Structs. This is a nice section. If I was an examiner, I would like to test you on this. Let's look at what the struct is all about. They tell me that a struct is another name for a record. We can store elements of the same type. So here's an examination question. Came from a past year paper. Define a struct menu item type with the following components: menu item, menu price, for 3 marks. Let's look at the solution. Where they say define a struct menu item type, this is going to be the struct type. So let's look at it. Menu item type, and you have the reserved word struct. There's 2 field names, menu item and menu price, and they tell me that it's of type string and it's of type float. So you write down the word string, and next to that the field name, which is menu item. Float, next to that menu price. Don't forget the open curly bracket and the close curly bracket. 3 marks. Easy 3 marks. Plus students, let's look at another example. In this case, the question says, assume the following declarations for both A and B. Struct video. Oh, I don't think any of you will recognize or remember a video. You all are too young. Can you see I've taken a past year paper from November 2011. That's 10 years ago. Structs appeared there. So the name of the struct is video, and the fields are movie title, number of copies, is reserved, which is a boolean. There we go. The declaration is video is of type struct video. There's my video. The question is, write down the declaration for an array video store of type video. Assume that a maximum of 50 videos can be stored. And there's the answer. Video store is an array. The square bracket 50, square bracket and 50 is stored in there, and it's of struct video. So I'm going to have 50 array elements, and each one of them will have 3 fields in there. The movie title, the number of copies, is reserved. Oops, I missed out the first question. Write down a C++ statement to set the number of copies of my video to 5. My video, full stop, number of copies equals 5. A number of copies is a field name. My video is the name of the struct, which is of type video. This is a very important question. I think you should study it. In fact, I'll go as far as stating I'm going to take a bet with you. Structs must come out in the examination paper. And if it doesn't come out, I'm going to buy every single one of you a big chocolate. Keep an eye out for more hot tips. Goodbye.